Can I take your ear off real quick? Look, there it is. What's wrong? What's wrong? You want me to put it back on? Do you want me to put it back on? I'll put it back on. Here. I'll put it back on. There it is. Does it feel better?
Yeah.
Okay.
One bit again.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry.
One bit again.
You grabbed your ear again?
Yeah. Yeah. I
Daddy did?
did. Yeah.
You want him to do it again?
Yeah.
You
Yeah?
want to do it again?
No.
Want me to do your nose this time? I can pull your nose off.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's so messed up.
Don't worry. I'll put it back. Okay.
Put your head down.
Hold still. Okay.
Your nose is back. Let me see your nose. Oh, it looks good.